How to send money with Cash App. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can send money with Cash App. In order to send money using your Cash App account, first of all, log in into your Cash App. After that, you'll be taken to the home page. So basically, this is how the interface is going to look like. So in order to send money using your Cash App, make sure that you have enough funds as well as that you're connected to an internet service. So then to begin with, click on the Pay tab located right at the bottom. On the other interface, you'll be asked to enter in the recipient details, and you also need to enter in some sort of description if you want to do, and then click on the Pay button. Next page, you'll be asked to enter in the exact amount that you are willing to transfer to this particular recipient, and click on the Send button if you're sure about it. Once again, there will be a confirmation whether you want to send it from your bank account or from your PayPal account or from a debit card. If you have linked either one of these following options, then you'll just select it accordingly, and then you've successfully made a transaction. So that is how you can send money with your Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.